Os meninos prodígio têm sido desde sempre uma fonte de fascínio para nós, gente adulta e mais mediana. Vamos por isso conhecer Jake Barnett, 13 anos de uma prodigiosa capacidade de matemática e, de resto, capacidade científica em geral. Desde os 8 anos, que tira cadeiras da universidade com notas distintas e desde os 12 anos que trabalha em pesquisa aplicada.
Hoje, com 13 anos, Jake frequenta o segundo ano e dá uma palestra no simpósio de ciência da sua universidade. Os atacadores desapertados revelam um adolescente típico, ou os primeiros sinais de distração do professor, ou um pouco de ambos. Rodeado por investigadoras com o dobro da idade, Jake apresenta o seu trabalho de física sobre redes simétricas.
This has implications in fiber optics, electromagnetic signals, anything that requires like a light going through a cable. Got it?
Every number or math problem I ever hear, I have permanently remembered.
You just never forget. They never,
never
slip
forget.
out the back door of your brain.
No.
Is it fun for you to do it? I mean, do you get a kick out of it?
Yeah.
Para Jake é divertido recitar de cor a sequência de algarismos infinita conhecido como pi.
3.141592653589793238462643383279502.
Jake memorizou mais de 200 algarismos do pi numa tarde.
9749445923078.
E fê-lo só para se testar a si próprio.
You want me to go backwards from there?
Well, sure.
32397985356295141.3.
Bravo.
Ele não se limita a repetir de cor um livro. Entende-o e analisa a lógica da matemática complexa. Consegue visualizar e resolver problemas complicados usando aquilo a que se chama quarta dimensão.
Just exactly what is the fourth dimension?
It's hard to describe in terms of the typical 3 because it's tangent to all the other ones. I'd be able to describe it if I had like a whiteboard and like 30 minutes to describe it. It takes a while. It's the fourth dimension. What do you expect?
Os números aparecem como formas que, segundo ele, se sobrepõem umas às outras.
So this, for example, is 3 cubed or 27. And then if I want to do 54, I just stack another one onto it.
Diz que a sua mente está constantemente a trabalhar em novos problemas e teorias de física. Quando fica sem espaço na parede, passa para as janelas.
Remembering things so precisely, does that ever become a burden to you?
No, not at all.
No sense of overload?
I remember math and numbers. I don't remember other things. For example, if someone asks me where something is in the house, I tell them I don't know.
Sendo o mais velho de 4 irmãos, Jake vive com a família nos subúrbios de Indianápolis.
These are my periodic table. It's got all my elements. So
Usou o dinheiro que ganhou no trabalho de pesquisa de verão, $3.200, para transformar o quarto num laboratório de ciência.
Copernicus was the most recently named element.
For as long
Os mistérios do espaço sempre o fascinaram.
of space.
Saturn is my favorite planet, not due to the rings, but due to some of its moons.
Any ambition to be an astronaut?
Not an astronaut. That's like too dangerous. I'm going to be the guy controlling the astronauts. If anyone's an astronaut, it's going to be my brother.
O trabalho todo e a brincadeira ocasional não fazem de Jake um miúdo aborrecido.
What do you do for fun?
When it isn't anything academic,
No, I mean beyond the academics.
does looking up space articles online count?
Pi a cube divided.
Tem uma bolsa integral na Universidade Conjunta de Indiana e Purdue, em Indianápolis, onde é um aluno com distinção académica em matemática e física.
Math and physics.
Pode não ser o aluno mais alto do campus, mas é certamente um dos mais inteligentes. Costuma ter as notas mais altas da turma.
In his classes.
What happens if you have C sub n, where it's proportional to n?
Jake faz disciplinas extracurriculares desde os 8 anos, quando se tornou evidente para os seus pais que o terceiro ano não seria suficiente para ele.
Was not going to be enough for him. What did your fellow students make of you?
Everyone was thinking that mom was taking the class and she couldn't find a babysitter.
The students thought I was the student.
Os pais, Christine e Michael Barnett, esperavam que o filho ficasse em silêncio a ouvir e a aprender, mas até eles ficaram abismados quando Jake entrou logo em discussões científicas.
The professor would ask questions and Jacob was answering them. And then he took the final at the end and got an A on it. And suddenly the people at the university took notice of that and eventually invited him to attend the university.
It's pretty shocking when an 8-year-old aces a university astronomy course. Weren't you impressed?
I guess I was impressed. I was just doing what I like to do.
No one
Ninguém diria que Jake chegaria à universidade. Antes de completar 2 anos, começou a regredir e deixou de falar e de estabelecer contacto visual.
and making eye contact
Após várias consultas, diagnosticaram-lhe autismo.
was autism.
We went through speech therapy, physical therapy, developmental therapy, occupational therapy. A therapist came to the home.
He was going further and further from our world into a world of his own. And I really was just baffled at how we were going to get him back out of that world.
And how did you get him back out of that world?
We realized that Jacob was not happy unless he was doing something he loved.
O que ainda com 3 anos já era matemática e ciência. Os pais dizem que quanto mais se focava nos assuntos que adorava, mais começava a comunicar.
You could just see him just relax. You could just see him feel like, thank goodness we're not working on something that I can't do today.
And how long did it take for him to, as you say, come back?
By the time he was kindergarten age, 5, 6, he was still behind as far as speaking with others and socializing with others. But he was also light years ahead of everybody else. He was coming home asking us, when am I going to learn something at school today? I want to learn algebra.
It was trying to keep Jake challenged that led to a kind of double life. Elementary school by day and sitting in on college courses in the evening. By 5th grade, he dropped out of public school, and just to demonstrate that he was ready for college, he taught himself all of high school math in just 2 weeks. He was 10 years old.
That was the most determined thing I've ever seen anybody do. He had to sit in a calculus class to prove to the university that he could sit still. And Jacob was like, I'm going to participate in that class discussion. So if I need to learn Algebra 1, Algebra 2, geometry, trig, that's what I'm going to do. And he took a stack of books and he sat down and he just...
Went and taught himself all of it in 2 weeks.
E não foi tudo. Terminou o programa curricular do 6º ao 12º ano em pouco mais de 1 ano. Os Barnett, que fundaram um centro para crianças autistas denominado Jacob's Place, dizem que muitos sintomas de autismo de Jake desapareceram.
Have disappeared.
There's certain traits that are still there. And if you really, really knew what you were looking for, you could dig them out. But otherwise, you know, that I got a 10-year-old kid at that point in time that just happens to be doing next level work and no one knew anything different.
Your parents told us that you're very proud of your autism.
That, I believe, is the reason why I am in college and I am so successful. It is the rise as to my love for math and science and astronomy, and it's the reason why I care. Otherwise, I wouldn't have gotten this far.
Joanne Rootsatz, uma professora de psicologia no estado de Ohio, estuda as crianças prodígio há 13 anos e acredita haver uma relação entre estas e o autismo.
There's a link between autism and prodigies.
We know that child prodigies are having autistic relatives at a very high clip, and some of them have autism themselves.
She believes
Joanne acredita que o que distingue uma criança prodígio autista das outras crianças autistas é o facto de os genes das crianças prodígio terem sofrido uma modificação. Assim, a genialidade surge sem muitas das disfunções associadas ao autismo.
autism.
In the general population of autism, 10% will have an autistic savant skill, where they're exceptional at something. And they've only got that piece displaying itself.
A professora diz que nos autistas, quer seja em matemática, na música ou em artes, o segredo do talento extraordinário reside na memória extraordinária.
They all share this incredible memory, each and every one of them.
In Jake's case, he's 13 years old. What's remarkable is not just this memory, but his vocabulary is so adult.
Of course, they speak like adults. They've picked up so much information along the way so early in their life and continue to do so.
Joanne diz que um talento como o de Jake existe num caso em cada 10 milhões.
Jake's extraordinary. He's picking up information at a rate that none of us could even imagine doing it.
Testou Jake e diz que ele é literalmente um as em todos os testes de inteligência e de memória.
Imagine if everything you saw you could remember. Every word you heard, you could recall that. And then you could integrate that information and come up with new ideas. That's what he's doing.
Kentucky, New Mexico.
Uma demonstração. A doutora Rutsetz enumerou 28 estados por ordem aleatória.
Pennsylvania, Wisconsin.
No surprise.
Sem qualquer surpresa, ele conseguiu decorá-las por ordem e também na sequência contrária com toda a facilidade. Ao pedir-lhe que as dissesse 3 meses depois,
You still remember them
Yes, yes, I do.
in the same order
And I can still go backwards.
and backwards? Give me 5 or 10.
Kentucky, New Mexico, Nevada, Florida, Pennsylvania, Wisconsin, North Dakota, Washington, Missouri, Texas, Utah, Colorado.
embora haja quem considere o talento de Jake apenas uma memória notável, o seu professor de física diz que ele é muito mais do que uma calculadora humana.
More than a human calculator. Is it just